My name is Jakobi Voorheis. I'm the executive chef at the Fed in Clarkston, and I live in Grand Blanc, Michigan. We've been open for about 8 months, and I've been here about 6. I've been cooking since I was young. My parents cooked a lot, so that environment definitely brought me into what I'm doing now. Culinary school, no, not too much experience. I started going to OCC for a little while in their culinary program, just working in restaurants, pushing it as hard as I could, trying to climb the ladder to get to where you're at. I mean, I would say here at the Fed, pretty eclectic modern American cuisine. I feel like we have a really awesome team here, a lot of people who bring a lot of different experiences to the table. So we're able to put together a really awesome menu. I mean, there's really no limit to what we do here at the Fed. We cook food that we like to eat. We cook food that other people like to eat. There's no stipulations on, genre or type of cuisine. Really we just want to do really awesome fresh food. So we pull from everywhere. We pull from, Spanish influences, Asian, American cuisine. It's a melting pot for sure. It all has in common is that, it's fresh ingredients, most of which we get from as locally sourced as we can. Our fish is pretty big. We have rotating fish. It gives our guys an ability to change things. We bring in fresh fish twice, 3 times a week. And that sells extremely well. We do truffle fries. Those are amazing and people seem to gravitate towards those things. So the mushroom ragout is definitely a popular dish here. We get these beautiful oyster, cremini, chanterelle mushrooms, and it's just a really nice way to showcase some of those beautiful earthy flavors. So today we're gonna prepare mushroom ragout. We're gonna get some water boiling for pasta. We're using pappardelle pasta, which is like a wide fettuccine noodle. We're gonna get a saute pan hot, add a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna sweat that olive oil and garlic for just about a minute. And then we're gonna add our wild mushrooms. Put a little bit of color on those mushrooms. We're gonna deglaze the pan with a little bit of dried sherry. That's gonna bring all that flavor together from the garlic and the shallots and the mushrooms that are sticking to the pan. We're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream just to bulk this sauce up a little bit. A little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna cook this sauce for about a minute or 2. Add a little bit of cheese just to thicken it up. By now our pasta should be done. We'll take our pasta out, toss it in the sauce, put it on a bowl, finish it with a little bit of Sarvecchio Parmesan cheese and fresh herbs. We're using thyme, oregano, and parsley. The Fed was a bank for 100 years. We acquired it last year and did a lot of renovations. We brought in old barnwood, Airstream trailer to finish the bar downstairs, a ton of beautiful woodwork, lots of tile. Downstairs we have some communal tables where people are able to come in and sit together. We have the lounge space. We have these beautiful landmarks throughout the building. These 2 beautiful vaults, which we host as private spaces for diners. You're not coming to have a meal, you're coming for the experience. People definitely have a certain expectation when they walk through these doors and they see this beautiful building, this beautiful showcase that we have here at the Fed. They're big shoes to fill. We have to make sure that we're on point and the menu stays fresh and exciting and interesting. We are trying to craft an experience around a beautiful building that has so much history in this area. It makes our jobs easy. People just come in the door to sit in the building, We don't have to scrounge for customers. People love just to come in and sit here. So we have a sign up front and it says, "Come as you are." People expect that when they walk through these doors that they should be wearing a suit or dressed up, and you to come as you are. We want you to dress, be comfortable, enjoy your experience here. Really, this is your place when you're here.